Welcome to Regatta Pointe here in Boulder City, which is just steps away from Lake Mead. Very much needed on these hot summer days. So we have a super cute townhouse coming up for sale. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Let's go check it out. And we're gonna end this video tour in this great backyard, which has low maintenance, it's professionally landscaped. And so if you are looking for a place close to Las Vegas, but with a small town vibe, Boulder City is where you wanna be. So contact me today for a private tour. All my information is below. I'm Wendy Goss, and I would love to be your real estate boss.
Prove it. We're recording.
All right, one and done. Let's go. You don't have to do, well, I guess it's not maintenance free. Hey! Hold on. Exciting to have on these. I didn't mean to use super yet because I have super coming up. So all my information is below in the, ow. Okay, sorry. Sorry, my butt is burning.
Summer in Vegas.
Okay, more bloopers.
Whenever you're ready.